The 21V Cordless Electric Leaf Blower offers exceptional power with its two 4 ampere-hour batteries, ensuring extended runtime for comprehensive cleaning tasks. This leaf blower features 6 adjustable speed levels, making it versatile enough to handle everything from light debris to heavy wet leaves effortlessly. With a high-torque motor delivering a powerful airflow of 450 cubic feet per minute and a maximum speed of 160 miles per hour, it efficiently boosts productivity. Weighing only 4.7 pounds, its lightweight and ergonomic design allows for comfortable one-handed operation, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The cordless convenience of this leaf blower means you can move freely without the hassle of tangled cords, making both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks more efficient. Its versatility extends to year-round outdoor maintenance, effectively removing leaves, grass clippings, dirt, and even light snow from various surfaces.